Whether it's our competitive service agreements or comprehensive maintenance plans, we've got a variety of TFS protection products to help keep you covered down the road. Great for unexpected issues, a vehicle service agreement covers eligible parts and repairs and can help protect your peace of mind. Guaranteed auto protection from TFS can help protect you from paying out of pocket if your car is a total loss. With prepaid maintenance, we'll help keep your vehicle running smoothly and help you steer clear of rising maintenance costs. With tire and wheel protection, we'll help protect your budget from costly damage to your tires and wheels. And if you plan to lease, you can help protect your bottom line with excess wear and use protection. Ditch lease-in charges for dings and dents with no claims to submit and no deductibles to pay. With so many plans and so much protection, you can focus on what matters most, the open road. Contact your local dealer for details about TFS protection products.
When your vehicle's warranty expires, that's when a Toyota Vehicle Service Agreement can offer you peace of mind and protection against the unexpected costs of a mechanical breakdown. Benefits include mechanical breakdown protection with over 250 covered parts and components and 24/7 roadside assistance. Plus, it's 100% transferable. With a Toyota Vehicle Service Agreement, we've got your back because it's backed by Toyota. See your local dealer for details.
With tire and wheel protection from Toyota Financial Services, we can help keep out-of-pocket expenses out of mind. We'll cover the cost of replacing damaged tires and wheels from everyday bumps on the road, and you'll enjoy unlimited claims for structural damage. Coverage is 100% transferable. Plus, with optional key replacement protection, you're covered if your keys ever get lost, damaged, or stolen. Tire and wheel protection, key replacement protection. Two plans that are too good to pass up. See your local dealer for details. With guaranteed auto protection from Toyota Financial Services, you can cruise with confidence knowing your wallet is safe. GAP covers the difference between what your car is worth and what you still owe if your vehicle is declared a total loss. Plus, we'll even cover your auto insurance deductible. And the best part? You're protected for the life of your contract. Guaranteed auto protection, backed by the strength and stability of Toyota. With a prepaid maintenance plan from Toyota Financial Services, you get peace of mind knowing your car is cared for by Toyota trained technicians. Plus, you'll lock in tomorrow's maintenance at today's prices, get access to a complete maintenance history, and rest easy with 24-hour roadside assistance. To maintain your Toyota's safety, performance, and value, there's nothing quite like prepaid maintenance. See your local dealer for details.
No matter how hard you may try to protect your vehicle, stuff happens. With excess wear and use protection from Toyota Financial Services, you won't be caught off guard by unforeseen expenses. And the best thing is, there are no claims to submit, no deductibles to pay, no reimbursements to request. Excess wear and use protection. Can you afford not to? See your local dealer for details.